Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best Hercules backpack on the market, the Loungefly X Disney Hercules Tattoo Mini Backpack. This unique accessory combines style, function, and a nostalgic nod to the beloved Disney classic, making it a must-have for fans and fashion enthusiasts alike. Right off the bat, this mini backpack stands out with its faux leather exterior, adorned with intricate applique and printed details that capture the essence of the Hercules tattoo design. The craftsmanship is remarkable, showing attention to detail that elevates the bag from just another accessory to a true statement piece. Whether you're heading out for a casual day or looking to add some personality to your outfit, this backpack delivers on both fronts. Inside, the backpack is lined with matching themed fabric, adding an extra layer of charm and quality. It's not just about looks. The interior is thoughtfully designed to be practical, with enough space to hold your essentials without being bulky. The total capacity measures about 480 cubic inches, making it perfect for those who want to carry daily necessities like a wallet, phone, keys, and a few small personal items without feeling weighed down. One of the standout features is the adjustable padded shoulder straps, ensuring comfort throughout your day, whether you're strolling through a theme park or navigating city streets. Plus, there's a handy hanging loop if you prefer to grab it quickly or hang it up when needed. On the outside, you'll find side pouch pockets and a zipped front pocket, perfect for items you want to access quickly and securely. Brand-wise, Loungefly is known for their high-quality, officially licensed Disney merchandise, and this backpack is no exception. It carries the signature Loungefly metal badge, signaling authenticity and style. This is a 100% official Disney product, so fans can be confident in its design and durability. In terms of size, the backpack measures roughly 4.72 by 9.06 by 10.63 inches and weighs about 1.5 pounds. It's compact enough to be convenient but still spacious enough to be practical for everyday use. The design caters primarily to adults, especially those who appreciate a blend of fandom and fashion. This mini backpack isn't just about looking good. It's crafted to be versatile and functional for casual day-to-day use or even travel. Its durable materials and construction mean it can keep up with your adventures, whether that's running errands or heading to a Disney park. If you love Disney and want a backpack that stands out with a bold Hercules tattoo motif, the Loungefly X Disney Hercules Tattoo Mini Backpack might just be your next favorite accessory. It brings together high-quality materials, thoughtful design, and a fun, nostalgic vibe that's hard to beat. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're a fan of unique backpacks or Disney merchandise, be sure to check this one out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, stay stylish and stay curious.